Hello there. Let me introduce a new module in our project management platform, the Import Checker. It's designed to protect the investor from costly and time-consuming mistakes caused by inaccuracies and non-conformities with the model plan by checking the planner's model against the specifications in the contract. So imagine that you're logged in as a planner and you would like to submit the new version of a file. First, let's look at what happens when you upload a file with the wrong building model. So I drag and drop the new version of a file here. You're only allowed to upload a specific file name. Now the system is uploading the file to a temporary folder. And here it is. You can see by the time that it's the right folder. Now it's checking the prerequisites, for example, that the file is Solibri optimized and running the translation tasks. This takes a little while, but usually it's not too long. In a moment, the picture will come up, and here it is. There's the model. You can rotate it and see it from different angles. And there the evaluation is ready, but as you can see, the quality is not perfect. According to this criteria, it's not 100%. If you click on that, you can see exactly what's wrong. Yeah, so the stairs are not in conformity with the plan. So now we need to try and fix this problem. What you can do, because of course you can't upload this to the proper folder, it won't allow it until we've solved the problem. So to solve that problem, you can download the BCF file, that's the BIM collaboration format file, in order to find the mistakes in your own planning program. And there it is, it's just downloaded now. And you can see that in the downloads folder. And check that it's the right one, of course, according to the time. The advantage of the BCF format is that you can open the file in a large variety of programs, for example, Autodesk Navisworks, Solibri, Revit, Archicad, Tekla, and many others. So you open the original file in the producer or coordination software. In our case, it's Navisworks Manage. So here it is. Here you open the original IFC file with the wrong building model, like that. It's loading now. And here you can see the visualization, which you can rotate. Now what you should do is navigate to the BIM Collab module at the top, and inside that is the BCF Manager. In the BCF Manager, you can open the BCF file that was created by the Import Checker. This is the file. Just check the time and date that it's the right one, which it is. Now, when that opens, the BCF Manager can show the problem or the non-conformities with precise information, and it tells you how to fix them. If you click on the issue, the Navisworks Manage shows a visualization of the mistakes, which you can rotate like this. And on the left are the problematic model instances. Those are the ones that stand out with a different name or a longer name. Now, you can fix those problems in your own planning software, and then you should save the corrected version of the IFC file if you are the author. Or you can tell your project partners how to fix this issue according to the information in the BCF Manager. So here we are back in the Import Checker, and we're going now to open the new file, the correct file for checking. So again, we repeat the drag and drop process with the correct file, and that's now uploading to the temporary folder. I'll just check that it's arriving there. Yes, there it is. Again, we just check by the time that it's the right one. Now the Forge APIs are running the translation services and all the criteria are being checked. It takes a little while. As you know, the building industry is developing quite fast and digitalization plays a key role. So we would like to increase the productivity and effectiveness of the whole process using new digital workflows. The program should be nearly uploaded. There we are. Again, you can see the model and it can be rotated. And now we're just waiting for the results of the check that the criteria match. And yes, you can see all green, 100% for all criteria. It means that there are no mistakes. So what we need to do now is upload the file to the proper folder by clicking on this blue button. And now it's moving, translating everything over to the correct proper folder. And we just check that it's there. Yes. Again, we just make sure by the time that it's the right one. And once the process is complete, it will mean that the new version has replaced the old version, and everything then should be correct according to the plan and the contract. There should be no mismatch. Here it comes. And as you can see, we have the visualization of the building, which we can rotate, and everything should now be correct. Thank you very much for your attention.